In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted items in monday.com. If you've ever accidentally deleted a board, a group, or an item in monday.com, don't worry. There's a simple way to check what's been removed and in many cases, restore it. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through accessing the trash section in your account, so you know exactly where to look whenever something seems to be missing. First, make sure you're logged into your monday.com account and that you're on any main page, such as your workspace or a board. The steps are the same no matter which board or workspace you're currently viewing, so you don't need to navigate anywhere special before you start. Look toward the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. Depending on your settings, this might be a small circle with your initials, a profile picture, or a generic user icon. This is your personal account menu, and it's where many important account-related options are stored. Click on your profile icon once. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account and settings. In this menu, you should see an option labeled Trash. This is the central place where monday.com keeps deleted content for a certain period of time before it's permanently removed. Go ahead and click on Trash. When you do, monday.com will open a dedicated trash view. Here, you'll see a list of items that have been deleted from your account or workspace. This may include boards, groups, items, and sometimes other elements, depending on your permissions and plan. Within this trash view, you can scroll through the list to locate the specific item you're looking for. Items are often displayed with information such as their name, the type of item, and when they were deleted. This can be very helpful if you're not sure exactly when something went missing. If the trash is empty, that usually means either nothing has been deleted recently, or older deletions have already been permanently cleared. If you do see the deleted item you need, you'll typically have the option to restore it, bringing it back into your workspace. Keep in mind that what you can see or restore in the trash may depend on your role and permissions in the account, as well as how long ago the item was deleted. And that's all there is to it. By clicking your profile icon in the top right corner and then selecting Trash, you have a quick and reliable way